Welcome students. In this video, you will be learning equation of a straight line. Here you will learn various types of straight lines. We will learn it by grouping it into the different groups. The first group, the straight line parallel to x-axis. Now let's discuss it. Equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. Let us consider a line AB which is parallel to x-axis. Let's draw the figure. Here it is coordinate axis and the line AB which is parallel to x-axis. Let this line AB be at a distance b from x-axis. Distance between the line AB and x-axis is b units. Look students, here appears a point on the line AB. This point is on the line. Now let's write its coordinate. Its coordinate is 1, b, and another point on the line. Its coordinate is 3, b. One more point, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, b. And let's see, one more point in the second quadrant, it is -1, b. Now, if we observe carefully all the points on the line AB, we have one similar property of these points, that the x coordinate varies, but the y coordinates remains same in all the points, which is equals to b, and b is the distance between the two parallel lines. So we have written it here. The y coordinate of every point on AB is b. Let's take any arbitrary point pxy on the line AB. Here it is px, y. And let's draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. According to this coordinate px, y, the distance OM is x, and this length, perpendicular length PM is y. And we know that the property of parallel lines, that is, the distance between two parallel lines are at equidistance everywhere. So this distance b must be equal to this distance y. So y equals to b. Therefore, y equals to b is the required equation of line AB. Or we can say required equation of line AB is y equals to b.
Hence, we write the conclusion that equation of straight line parallel to x-axis and at a distance b from x-axis is y equals to b. Now let's use it in our examples.
Example 1. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and lying at a distance of 5 units above it. The question says the line has two properties. The first one is the line is parallel to x-axis, and the second property is the line is at 5 units above x-axis. Let's draw the figure. Let's draw a straight line according to this condition, that the line here, it is parallel to x-axis and it is 5 units above, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units above the x-axis. Here it is 5 units and it is the value of b. We know equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis is y equals to b. Here in the figure, the value of b is 5 units. Substitute the value of b in our required equation, so we will get it as y equals to 5. Shifting 5 to the left hand side, we have y minus 5 equals to 0, which is the equation of required straight line according to the question. Let's see one more example. Example 2. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and lying at a distance of 2 units below it. Here also two conditions are given. The first one, the line is parallel to x-axis and the line is at distance 2 units below x-axis. Now let's draw the straight line according to the given condition, which is parallel to x-axis and 2 units below the x-axis. That is, 1 unit, 2 unit below the x-axis is somewhere here. Here it is the line parallel to x-axis and 2 units below. Now, this is the value of b. Since it is 2 units below, value of b will become -2. We know that any equation of straight line parallel to x-axis is y equals to b. But here, value of b is -2. As it lies below the x-axis, it will take negative sign. So b equals to -2. We will get the equation of this blue straight line, which we have drawn according to the given condition in question is y equals to b. So let's substitute the value of b in our line. Then our straight line becomes y equals to -2. We can write one more step by shifting -2 to the left hand side, and it will become y plus 2 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the straight line. One more example, example 3. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point 4, -6. Here also there are two conditions given. The line is parallel to x-axis and that line passes through the point 4, -6. Let's draw the figure. Coordinate axis is here and the point 4, -6. Let's plot it. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here it is, the point 4, -6. The parallel line to the x-axis should pass through this 4, -6. So this is the required line. Now we have to find the equation of this line. Look students, this line is 6 units below the x-axis. So this one is the value of b. Since it lies below the x-axis, b will take minus sign. So b equals to -6 here. Now, equation of straight line parallel to x-axis is y equals to b. We have discussed in previous slides. Here, value of b is -6, and let's substitute this value in our required equation. It becomes y equals to -6. Now, shifting -6 to the left hand side, we will get y plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the equation of required line given in the question. Okay students, this much for now. We'll be doing another type of equation of straight lines in our next video. Thank you.